What is an operating system? This is what you might be asking if you're 5 years old, but I'll tell you anyway. Well, an operating system is a software program required to operate a device, such as a computer. Companies would go on to create their own operating system, with the top 3 being Windows, Mac, and Linux. Our story starts in the University of Helsinki, in Finland. Software engineer Linus Torvalds started developing his own operating system, which would later become Linux. With the Free Software Foundation, also known as FSF, Linus Torvalds created the first version of Linux in 1991, version 0.02. Honestly, from pictures online, it just looks like the Windows 10 command prompt. Fun fact, Chrome OS, a Google operating system, has a bit of the Linux kernel in it. So basically, the Chromebooks you have right now have a bit of Linux in their hearts. Moving on, Apple's operating system is up next. Developed in 1984, Mac OS grew in popularity quickly, and I mean quickly. Mac OS is, in many ways, one of the reasons why our computers today are the way they are. For example, and I didn't know this, Apple was the one who created the mouse cursor. Yeah, this little guy. I actually didn't know that. I thought some deity spawned the mouse cursor into this world like a 2010 game spawning in the final boss right in front of you. Fun fact, Apple made an agreement with Microsoft allowing them to use licensed concepts for their own operating system, which is called Windows OS. Speaking of Windows OS, it was released in 1985 as an extension of MS-DOS. What? What is it? It sounds like MS-DOS sounds like something Elon Musk would name his child. MS-DOS stands for Microsoft Disk Operating System. Since Microsoft was basically just a copycat, Windows OS had the user navigate using a mouse cursor. By the way, I have 2 fun facts about Windows OS instead of 1, so prepare your pants, because they're about to get... I probably can't say that. Fun fact number 1. Did you know that Windows 8 exists? Did you? If you did, why didn't you tell me? Did you want to hide this knowledge from me? I have believed for many millennia that Microsoft skipped Windows 8. I was told that Windows 8 was just a myth, just a fairy tale that was tossed from person to person, spreading the story of Windows 8, and you're telling me it's real? But on a serious note, Windows 8 was released in 2012, 3 years after Windows 7's publication. It was a small update, adding some quality of life features, some bug fixes, some stuff like that. So that's probably why I've never really heard of it. Anyways, fun fact number 2, on July 15th, 2015, just 14 days before Windows 10 was released, Microsoft announced that Windows 10 was going to be the final version of their operating system.